Today we'll be learning about how to log in into Facebook account on PC. For that, open any browser of your choice, and on the URL box you need to type in facebook.com, and after that press enter on the keyboard. So as you can see that I have already been signed in to my Facebook account. If you haven't, then we can simply log out. Here's the account and click on the logout box. Let me show you by logging out this, and here this page will appear where you can see the sign in box. You can simply enter your email or phone number and the password. If you forgot password, you can click on forget password link and easily reset and click on the login. You can enter any number as well as the password here. Let's click on it and enter, and now click on login. And here I have been logged in to my Facebook account. So in this way you can easily log in and log out from your Facebook account. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.